Klaben Ford Lincoln is part of the Klaben Auto Group, proudly serving Northeast Ohio for over 50 years. And here's a look at one of our great vehicles for sale. It comes equipped with wireless charging pad, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, universal garage door opener, leather steering wheel with auto tilt-away, lane departure warning system, parking sensors, hands-free liftgate, rain-sensitive windshield wipers, Sirius XM satellite radio, keyless entry, and has less than 5,000 miles on the odometer. Today, the Klaben family lives by the same customer-driven principles that their founder, Al Klaben, incorporated into the first store he opened over 50 years ago. They remain a local family business in culture and in practice, while being able to pass along to you the benefits of being a large business. This allows Klaben to provide you with the absolute best value, while retaining their strong focus on delivering a level of customer service that sets them apart. Check out their reviews. This is the Klaben difference.